Hello, New School Beyblade here. Today I'm doing a Beyblade Burst Surge unboxing. It's going to be Raid Luinor L6. So yeah, and it actually has 3A with that destroy SF or yeah. So that's cool. The upper attack and they fused attack power. So yeah. I actually already have two. So yeah, two. I'm gonna do a little unboxing on this guy because I bought two of each. Oh god. We got so okay. So there. The QR code at the end. So yeah. I actually just used this one in battle, so yeah. There it is. Ooh. That's cool. No metal, of course, sad to say. Oh god. No luinor. Yeah. Finally 3A is pretty small. I'll show you the original 3A. Okay. This is actually, let me take this. This was actually a combo from my. There's the original 3A. Just a smaller version of it. Okay. If this, yeah, that would have looked pretty good. Yeah, like this. Yeah, let me put my combo back. So let's weigh, if I can find the weight. Actually, never mind. So yeah, hope you guys like this unboxing video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And stay tuned for the battle I just did before I did this unboxing. Because I had this one already open. So yeah, double. So stay tuned for a combo tournament since I have this. And I'll be getting more soon. Also, I got two of these. Yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.